Hey, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to explore 11 powerful mindset shifts that can accelerate your personal growth and lead you to greater success in all areas of your life. So, if you're ready to unlock your full potential and create a life you love, keep watching. Embrace a growth mindset. Adopt a growth mindset, believing that your abilities and intelligence can be developed through dedication and hard work. Embracing challenges and seeing failures as opportunities for learning will propel you forward. Focus on self-love and acceptance. Cultivate self-love and self-acceptance by embracing your strengths, weaknesses, and unique qualities. Celebrate your achievements and practice self-compassion in times of setbacks. Release fear of failure. Let go of the fear of failure and reframe it as a stepping stone to success. Embrace failures as valuable lessons and use them to refine your approach and grow stronger. Embrace a can-do attitude. Develop a positive attitude that believes in your ability to overcome obstacles and achieve your goals. Replace self-doubt with self-belief and cultivate an optimistic outlook on life. Practice mindfulness. Incorporate mindfulness into your daily routine to cultivate present moment awareness. This will help you become more focused, reduce stress, and make conscious choices aligned with your values. Shift from scarcity to abundance. Let go of a scarcity mentality that focuses on lack and limitations. Instead, adopt an abundance mindset, believing that there are limitless opportunities and resources available to you. Embrace the power of gratitude. Cultivate a grateful mindset by appreciating the blessings in your life. Regularly express gratitude for the people, experiences, and opportunities that come your way. Embrace continuous learning. Foster a mindset of lifelong learning and personal growth. Seek out new knowledge, skills, and experiences that stretch your capabilities and expand your horizons. Practice self-discipline. Develop self-discipline by setting clear goals, creating a plan of action, and holding yourself accountable. Stay committed to your objectives, even when faced with challenges or distractions. Surround yourself with positive influences. Surround yourself with positive, supportive individuals who inspire and motivate you. Build a network of like-minded people who encourage your growth and success. Cultivate an attitude of service. Shift your focus from self-centeredness to service. Find ways to contribute to the well-being of others and make a positive impact in your community and the world. And there you have it, 11 powerful mindset shifts for personal growth and success. Incorporate these shifts into your life and watch as your mindset transforms and propels you toward achieving your goals and living a fulfilling life. Let us know in the comments which mindset shift resonated with you the most, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more empowering content. Remember, by shifting your mindset, you have the power to create the life you've always dreamed of. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.